Stop relying on memory to run operations. Introducing the Universal Operating Engine for service-heavy teams, designed to eliminate the chaos of meetings, scattered follow-ups, and staff heroics. Your team isn't disorganized, the system is. Too much information is stored in people's heads, leading to missed details and reliance on staff heroics. The hidden cost of inefficiency is the friction tax. It accumulates through repeated explanations, missing context, and decisions made from memory rather than a reliable system. Give your team a better command center with Source OS. It's not a replacement but a command layer that unifies your priorities, metrics, and meetings into a seamless workflow. Visible ownership means having one place to see what matters. From daily commands to resource control, keep everything in view and under control. Deploy a system built around your business's real needs. Start with a tailored ecosystem, not a blank screen, and refine it with a structured plan. Meetings should be powered by live signals, not guesswork. Unity Sync generates agendas from real-time data, ensuring every meeting is productive and focused. Your operating history should be robust, not fragile. Maintain continuity by building a repeatable system that doesn't rely on any single person or software. Grounded for service-heavy teams, Source OS is the systemic unity above your execution tools, not a replacement for them. Join the early adopters and build your command center. Limited access for the first 10 adopters, with a free beta ecosystem to explore.